Fry Sight Words, the 500, Lesson 4 of 5. Suggestions for learning. Define each word using an English dictionary such as dictionary.com. English learners, please translate each word and sentence in your language via translate.google.com. Review each video a minimum of 2 to 3 times and try to read each word and sentence along with the audio. Fry Sight Words, the 500, Lesson 4 of 5. Repeat after me, please. Filled, heat, full, hot, check, object, am, rule, among, noun, power, cannot, able, 6, size, dark, ball, material, special, heavy. Filled. Repeat after me. Filled. The student filled her bag with books. The shopper filled her cart with food. Heat. Repeat after me. Heat. Please turn down the heat. It's too hot in here. There is a lot of heat in the summer. Full. Repeat after me. Full. His pockets are full of money. I ate so much that my stomach is full. Hot. Repeat after me. Hot. The weather is hot during the summer. You'll get your tongue burned if you eat hot food. Check. Repeat after me. Check. If your car doesn't start, you should check your battery. The teacher will check to see if you completed your homework. Object. Repeat after me. Object. And if you make it into a verb, it's object. Object. If it's a noun, it's object. If it's a verb, it's object. Okay? When you object to something, you disagree with it. She saw a large round object on the street. Am. Repeat after me. Am. I am an English learner. She told me that I am late to the meeting. Rule. Repeat after me. Rule. The teacher has a rule. Do your best in school. He disobeyed the school rule and started a fight in the classroom. Among. Repeat after me. Among. She is among some of the best students in the English class. The runner was among some of the fastest runners in the race. Noun. Repeat after me. Noun. A noun names a person, place, thing, or idea. A notebook is a noun. Power. Repeat after me. Power. You have the power to change your life. Electricity can power an electric car. Cannot. Repeat after me. Cannot. The student cannot complete her homework on time. I cannot go to school today. Able. Repeat after me. Able. He is able to lift that heavy box. She is able to complete her assignment. 6. Repeat after me. 6. Number 6 follows number 5. Number 5 is followed by number 6. Size. Repeat after me. Size. You need to know the size of your ring finger before you buy a ring. Do you know the size of your shoes? Dark. Repeat after me. Dark. She likes to wear dark sunglasses. He wears a dark suit to work every day. Ball. Repeat after me. Ball. The boy kicked the ball at the park. She received a ball as a present for her birthday. Material. Repeat after me. Material. The shirt is made of beautiful silk material. We covered a lot of the material from the book in yesterday's class. Special. Repeat after me. Special. She celebrated her birthday only with the most special people in her life. When something is special, it is different and unique. Heavy. Repeat after me. Heavy. That man can lift that heavy box. You need to be strong to be able to lift heavy objects. Thank you, students, for working so hard and doing your best.